Hey guys, Ryan here with Quality Comfort Home Services. This time of year we get called quite a bit for the furnace not coming on. A few things that you can check before calling is check the breaker. Make sure you didn't trip anything on the breaker. Check your furnace filter. If it's dirty, pull your filter out and then flip the switch on the side to recycle the power. Being said, check the switch on the side. Sometimes kids, pets, balls, anything can hit that switch and turn your furnace off. If you have an older furnace, maybe it still has a pilot light. Check to see if that has blown out or has gone out. And lastly, just to hear the blower motor. If that's not coming on, obviously, then you're not going to get the hot air coming out of the vent. So just a few things to check. If none of those work, give us a call. We can come out, take a look, and get you back up and going. Thanks. Have a good day.